Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. This is your gem, Inner Tarot Reader. So Earth sign, alamin natin kung anong iyong love reading. Salamat sa panunood at pagsubaybay sa aking channel. Just a reminder, Earth sign, this is a general reading, so this may or may not resonate with you, so don't take it personally. This is just a guide na pwede mo makonsider kung sakaling ma-encounter mo ang ganitong sitwasyon sa iyong buhay. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, give me your energy. Give me your love energy. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, give me your energy. Earth sign, tignan natin ang iyong main love energy. Your main love energy. Give me your main love energy, Earth sign. Give me your main love energy. Okay. You have the Sword and Rose. Clarity, truth, revelation, solidarity, force, honor, protection, and power. There's a clarity, truth, and revelation na magaganap sa iyong buhay. So, alamin natin ang connection ng iyong main energy. Give me the love energy of Earth sign, love energy for Earth sign. Give me the love energy. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Let us see. You have Page of Cups, a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. King of Wands, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Eight of Swords, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Tingin ko there is someone na gustong mag-take a chance sa'yo. Someone na very passionate about you, Earth sign. Pero hindi niya alam kung paano niya sasabihin yung nararamdaman niya. Alam mo yung parang admirer mo ito? Maaaring tinitignan ka niya or chinecheck ka niya sa social media mo? Anong status mo? Or ano na yung anong update sa'yo? Ano na nangyayari sa'yo? Tingin ko, unti-unti, siguro, everyday, unti-unting lumalalim yung nararamdaman niya towards you. Unti-unti siya nagkakaroon ng desire na i-reveal yung nararamdaman niya para sa iyo. Pero alam mo yung parang may nag-hold back sa kanya, or there's as Eight of Swords this is some kind of energy na natatakot siya, may hesitation na baka ma-reject siya, may pangamba, pero yung feeling niya, this new person, maybe this is a new person, or matagal mo na siyang kilala, tapos ngayon pa lang siya aamin ng nararamdaman niya, ibang level yung feelings niya towards you. Earth sign. Hindi niya lang ma-contain sa sarili niya kung paano niya ito sasabihin, o hindi niya ma-process na anong way, anong paraan para i-reveal niya yung nararamdaman niya. You have clarity, truth, and revelation in your energy. Love reading. Let us see. Earth sign, Knight of Cups. You have Knight of Cups. The Hanged Man. And Knight of Pentacles. Gaya ng sabi ko, itong person na ito nag-iipon ng lakas ng loob para aminin yung nararamdaman niya. One day, this person will ask you out. You have Knight of Cups, a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and an earth sign with Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Slow movement, pero siguradong aamin itong person na ito. Dadating siya sa time na ready na siya umamin sa'yo. Sa time na handa na siyang ibigay yung deserve mo. Diba? This person na involved sa energy mo, Earth sign, will take a move. Will make a move, will take a chance to reveal or to say to you kung ano yung tunay niyang nararamdaman. You have a heart. Diba? At matagal nakatatak sa isipan niya kung gaano kanya kamahal, at unti-unti, Habang lumilipas ang bawat araw, mas lumalalim, mas nagiging intense yung feeling niya. Parang unti-unti nagkakaroon siya ng urge, new perspective at lakas ng loob, yung nafe-feel niya towards you. Parang hindi niya na makontain yung sarili niya na hindi niya ito aminin sa'yo. Kaya, maybe one of these days or in the near future, this person will reveal or will tell you kung ano yung nararamdaman, totoong nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. Sa ngayon siguro, hindi niya ba ma-process sa sarili niya kung paano niya aaminin sa'yo yung nararamdaman niya. Kasi sa kanya, kahit paano, sa kanya mismo, hindi niya kayang i-compose yung message na gusto niya ipadala sa'yo, something like that. May gusto siyang aminin, sabihin, pero hindi niya alam sa papaanong paraan. So, siguro in the near future, your person will have the courage. You'll make a move, slow but surely. Slowly but surely. Your person will reveal his or her true feelings para sa'yo. Tignan natin, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Ace of Cups. You have a water sign again, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Queen of Wands, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And Two of Wands, a fire sign. Diba? Feeling ko hindi niya na makontain yung nararamdaman niya. Parang mag-burst out na yung feelings niya. Gusto niya nang aminin. Parang gusto na niyang magkaroon ng communication with you. Your person is very passionate about you. You have Queen of Wands, King of Wands. Parang ikaw lang yung center of attraction niya sa ngayon. Two of Wands. Ikaw yung priority niya. Parang ikaw yung main goal niya na gusto niyang makamit, makuha. Parang, alam mo yung pangarap niya na gusto niya, na inaasam-asam niya. Something like that. Alam mo yung person na ito, iba ang feeling niya for you, towards you. Parang seryoso na. Dati, siguro nag-start to sa admiration. Unti-unting lumalim. Yung mga ganun talagang moment ang bawat tao na parang hanggang hindi mo masabi yung tunay mong nararamdaman, parang mas lalong lumalalim or nagiging deeper yung emotion mo towards that situation. Hindi niya na makontain. Kasi ang dami niyang gustong sabihin sa'yo, ang dami niyang gustong i-reveal sa'yo kung ano yung tunay niyang nararamdaman, hindi niya na makayanan. Kaya one of these days, maybe your person will make a move. Tingnan natin kung ano ang masasabi ng angel guide for your love energy. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Ask for help from others. Maybe your person will ask for help. Ano ba yung kailangan niyang gawin? Diba? Confused siya eh. Hindi niya alam kung sa paanong paraan niya aaminin sa'yo yung nararamdaman niya. Or maybe this is your energy, Earth sign. Either way, ito ang love energy mo. Communicate clearly, di ba? Sabihin mo yung nararamdaman mo through communication. Nalilito, hindi alam ang gagawin, communicate it clearly. Ano ba yung totoong gusto mo? Ano ba yung motivation mo? Ano ba yung motibo mo? Ano bang plano mo? Diba? Kasi wala namang mangyayari sa isang connection kung walang make a move. Walang magte-take ng action. Peaceful resolution. Maaaring magkaroon na siya ng final decision sa sarili niya. Yung, alam mo yung, hindi na siya malilito, hindi na siya maguguluhan. Alam niya na sa sarili niya kung anong dapat at tama niyang gawin. Tignan natin ang masasabi ng Oracle para sa yung energy. Give me some message for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Oracle guide, give me some message for Earth sign. You are good enough. Kaya nga, ganun na lang yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo, Earth sign. Ikaw lang sapat na. Emotions are running high. And have faith in your dreams. Tingin ko, this person Alam niya na kung anong gusto niyang mangyari. Alam niya na kung ano yung gagawin niyang move or action towards you, Earth sign. This person will reveal to you kung ano yung truth, clarity, ano yung nararamdaman niya towards you. Iba yung feeling niya for you. Kung ready ka for this relationship, Earth sign nasa sayo. Kilalanin mo siya mabuti, communicate clearly, di ba? Pag-usapan nyo yung mga plano nyo. Kung sakaling mutual ang feelings nyo sa isa't isa, well, that's good for you. So thank you, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, Earth sign.